Hello smart people, welcome back to this comments class. Today's video I'll take you to Microsoft on GitHub where you can take data science for beginners course for free. So this link will be shared in the description section where you can access this course. So it's a 10-week course and it consists of 20 lessons which is free, all free. Okay, so when you visit this website you see the data science course for free and also the outlines where you see are you a student getting started, meet the team, each lessons includes the lessons and also the GitHub code space. Okay, so yeah, so it's a 10-week which contains 20 lessons curriculum all about data science. Okay, so you can read all the description and we have the team, and these are the items which includes every lesson. Okay, so these are the 20 lessons you'll be learning. Okay, so we have the lessons here. So lesson number 1, we have the defining data science. We have lesson number 2, data science ethics, and we have defining data science 2. So it's up to lesson 20. So lesson 20 is the data science in the wild. We have the we have the analyzing, which is the lesson 15. And we have the visualizing relationships. That is the lesson 12. Okay, so we have the GitHub code space where you can learn how to program whether in C++, Python or Java. Okay, so let's go straight to the course. Okay, so let's take the first lesson. That is the defining data science. Okay, so introduction to data science. Here are the topics will be taken under the data science. So it means in the lesson we also have topics you'll be taking. So here we have the defining data science ethics, defining data science, introduction to statistics and probability. Okay, so these are the people who wrote this particular lesson. Okay, so let's check the introduction to or defining data science. Okay, so the defining data science also comes with a branch of topics you undertake. Okay, so let's play this video. It will take us to YouTube. Okay, so introduction to data science. So I think he's the one who also wrote this particular topic or lesson. Okay, so let's go back. We have the pre-lecture quiz. So the course starts. What is data science? In every life, we are constantly surrounded by data. Sorry, what is data? Okay, so here is the what is data science. It's explaining everything. It's explaining everything. Everything. Okay, everything. So there is the assignment you take home. So task 1, you modify the code above to find out related concepts for the field of big data and machine learning. So as you can see, the code is here. So you visit. Okay, I think it's not accessible now. Okay, I think the file is not there now. Okay, so we have the and we have the assignment. So this is the assignment. So the task 2. So the task 2 we have assignments, data science scenarios. Okay. Let's see another one. Let's see the introduction to statistics and probability. Okay, so the same guy who is teaching us this. So probability and random variables. So you take all this, and also as usual it comes with its topic. So we have the mean, the variance, and the standard deviation, and I can see hypothesis testing. Okay, so this in statistics. I think this website is good. It entails a lot. So please try and access this website to learn more. Okay, so let's go back and let's go to the lessons. Okay, so let me select my favorite. That is the analyzing. Okay, so let's go to the introduction. So introduction to the data science life cycle. So this what tells you when you get the data, how you go about it. So first you need to capture the data. So you have the data, now you process the data. So during the processing, we have the pre-processing where the cleanup of the data happens, and we have the maintaining, that is the storing and managing and securing the data. Then from there, you know your objectives which you want to undertake to analyze the data. Before you analyze any data, you need to have the objective. Okay, so which particular issue you are solving. From there, you know how to explore the data. And the last one is the communication, how to communicate with the stakeholders. Okay. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. See you on the next video. Peace.